Welcome back, students. You've already explored the suits of the deck and unlocked the living language of the red and black cards, the heartbeat of every reading. Today, we bring those lessons to life. If you're just joining us, I encourage you to start with the previous lessons, where we uncover the meaning of color, the suits and their elemental correspondence. It will give you the foundation you need for what we're about to do. This session is all about practice and synthesis. Together, we'll learn how to combine suits and colors to perform your first complete cardamancy reading. You'll discover how to lay spreads, trace patterns, and hear the story of past, present, and future as it unfolds from the cards. Think of this as both classroom and sacred circle. I'll guide you step by step while your own intuition begins to speak. And remember, my book, The Intimacy of Cartomancy and the Soothsayer Divination Deck, can support you beyond this lesson as daily companions in your journey. Settle in, take a breath, and let's begin weaving the full story the cards are ready to tell. Before we step fully into today's work, let's pause to recall the heart of the previous lesson, where we discovered the power of color in cardamancy. We learned that the red and black form the deck's first pulse, the instant signal of whether a situation is active and moving or quiet and forming in the unseen. Red, carried by hearts and diamonds, is the color of life force in action. It speaks of passion, relationships, celebrations, and creative ventures. And it often points to quick changes or urgent news. But red can also run hot. A spread heavy with red may caution against impulsiveness, overspending, or acting on pure emotion. For an example, 3 red cards and a love question might say the connection is real and moving fast-paced. Pace your heart wisely. The black cards, found in spades and clubs, is the color of mystery, patience, and spirit guidance. It reveals business or legal matters, serious discussions, and the quiet labor of ancestors preparing the way. Black may mean a situation is developing slowly or hidden for good reason. It's cautions, overthinking, fear of change, or avoiding action. An example are 2 black cards with a single red could suggest plans are ripening in silence. Trust the timing. Together, red and black create a living dialogue, one of movement and rest, action and contemplation. This understanding is the bridge of today's lesson, where we'll combine suits and colors to perform a full reading. Hold those color insights close as we move forward. They are the foundation for hearing how the cards speak as a complete story of past, present, and future. Now, let's begin weaving that story together. How to use colors and suits in a full reading. You are ready. By now, you know the 4 suits, their elements and directions, and the living dialogue of red and black. This is the movement where the theory meets practice. Today, you'll learn to conduct your first complete cardamancy reading using only the suits and colors as your guide. Step 1. Preparing your space. Begin by choosing a calm space, a quiet table, a cloth, or simple, clear surface. Have your 52 card deck ready. Shuffle slowly and with intention as you focus on a question. It might concern love, work, family, or maybe a decision you need to make. In tradition, preparation is simple yet powerful. Some readers light a candle or whisper a prayer. Others simply hold the question in their heart. Whatever you choose, make it your own. Step 2. The 3-card spread. For beginners, a 3-card spread is the perfect first step. This classic layout can be read in 2 natural ways, depending on the question. As past, present, and future, giving a sense of what has shaped the situation, what is happening now, and where it is heading. Or simply as events in chronological order. First, second, and third, without attaching them to specific time frames. This is often more fitting when the inquirer's concern isn't about time, but about the sequence or cause and effect. I want you to lay the cards from left to right, turning them face up one at a time, and let your intuition catch the first flash of red and black before moving to the suits. Step 3. Reading by color and suit. Before you think about numbers, notice the colors. Is the spread mostly red, mostly black, or balanced? Red signals movement, passion, and action. Black signals patience, hidden guidance, or matters of the mind and spirit. Next, listen to the suits. Diamonds represent grounded energy, possessions, steady gains. Clubs represent business, communication, and opportunities. Hearts represent love, relationships, and emotional depth. Spades represent transformation, challenges, and spiritual growth. I want you to ask yourself, how do the suits and colors talk to one another? This is where a reading becomes a living conversation. Step 4, guided mock reading. Tamara's date. Let's bring this to life with mock reading number 1. Tamara is a 29-year-old business professional. She has just been asked on a date by Joel, her yoga instructor. She wonders if they'll have anything in common. We lay 3 cards. The first is a black spade. Instantly, we know the date may start with some bumps, perhaps nervousness, or a mismatch in communication. Next, red hearts fall in succession, dominating the spread. Red tells us life and love are moving. Hearts confirm romantic connection and warmth. Together, these cards speak clearly. The evening may begin with hesitation, but it will warm into genuine connection. The suits and colors gave us the story. No numbers required. Notice how we read. Colors first, then suit meanings, weaving them into a single narrative. Let's complete another mock reading. Joel's career. Joel, newly hired at a tech firm, feels nervous about his place in the company. In a 3-card spread, the middle card, the present, is a red 10 of diamonds. Strong and promising. It shows earthly success and income. To the left, a black king of spades represents the past difficulties Joel has faced. On the right, a red 5 of diamonds foretells future prosperity. Here again, the balance of black and red gives depth. The black card honors the struggles that brought Joel here. The red cards assures him that growth and financial reward are unfolding. This simple color and suit method speaks volumes, offering Joel assurance and practical direction. Let's pause to affirm what you've just seen. Colors first reveal immediate energy. Red for movement, black for hidden or spiritual forces. Suits next. Refine the message. Earth for stability, air for communication, water for emotion, fire for transformation. The 3-card spread can describe past, present, or future, or simply a sequence of key events. You now know how to conduct a full, insightful reading using only these keys. Now it's your turn. Pick a simple question from your life, perhaps about work, relationships, or a decision you're weighing. Shuffle your deck with focus. You may cut your deck if you choose to. Next, I want you to lay 3 cards. First, scan the colors. Do you see mostly red, mostly black, or a balance? Then, listen to the suits. Is this about love, career or communication, money instability, or growth through challenges? Speak the story aloud. You might say, red leads, so events are moving quickly. The presence of diamonds and clubs tell me that this is about finances and communications. The black spade in the past shows the struggle I overcame to reach this opportunity. I want you to trust yourself. The method is simple, but the insight is deep. Take a deep breath and notice what has shifted. You didn't just listen to a lesson. You have performed a reading. By combining colors and suits, you've already stepped into the living practice of cardamancy. But remember, this is only the beginning. Today's method is a foundation, not the full house. We've worked with the simplest keys, color and suit. Yet the playing card deck holds far greater depths. Number patterns, court card dynamics, full deck spreads, and even pathways into the major arcana and extended mysteries of cardamancy. What you have now is enough to read with clarity, but it's only the first layer of a lifetime art. If this lesson awakens something in you, I want you to keep building. My book, The Intimacy of Cartomancy goes far beyond these first steps, guiding you through advanced techniques and the deeper symbolic structure of the deck. Pair it with the Soothsayer Divination Deck, created to carry this tradition forward with precision and spirit. You can find the book and deck on Amazon and hcrgold.com, and the exclusive bundle only at hcrgold.com. And when you're ready to move from these foundations into the full breadth of cardamancy, including complete deck work, number, and court card mastery, and the major arcana, visit hcrgold.com to register for upcoming cardamancy courses. Whether you want to refine your daily readings, join a live masterclass, or train for professional certification, there will always be a next step waiting for you there. You've taken a major step today. Keep your deck close, keep your spirit open, and keep learning. This is Papa Seer, and I look forward to guiding you deeper into the vast world of cardamancy, where every card, every number, and every mystery is ready to speak.